Hi everybody, it's Ryno and I am here today at Disney Springs. Right now I'm currently sitting in my car, but the other night I was down here with some friends walking around and I walked past the Pop Gallery kiosk that's located just behind Planet Hollywood. I went inside the kiosk and I happened to notice there were two style Labubu's on the shelf. If you're not familiar, these are like these blind box monsters. They come in different sets. There's like Big Energy, there's like a macaron. And I said to the employee there, I was like, are these for sale or are these just for display? Because they're unopened. They sold them to me for $35, but they were the only two that were there. And being the kind of, I love to give a gift and a surprise, I gave the two to the two people I was with and let them unbox them. Now, I have never unboxed the Labubu before. I was given one once at Halloween Horror Nights by an incredibly kind and wonderful individual, but it was given to me out of the box and everything like that. Today, I think I'm going to find, hopefully, fingers crossed, my very first Labubu to unbox. We'll do it together. I just thought this would be a fun thing to do and like an unexpected souvenir, or if you're a local or just visiting, like, hey, did you know you can get this? It's all the craze right now. Did you know you can get it at Disney Springs? Hopefully we're going to find some at the Pop Gallery. Before I get out of this nice air-conditioned car, I want to remind everybody that this and everything that we do here at Dream is brought to you by Dreams Unlimited Travel. They are experts at helping you plan the perfect Disney vacation. When you book with them, it costs you nothing extra on your trip. You help support the channel and all of the content that we produce here. So check them out, dreamsunlimitedtravel.com, for a free, no obligation quote today. If you're looking for another way to support us that isn't booking a vacation through Dreams, well, we have a Patreon set up, and over there you can get exclusive content from different members of the Diz team and some exclusive shows and things like that. So if you want to learn more about that, patreon.com/DizUnlimited. Now I have said all of that, let us go travel onward into Disney Springs and see if we can find some of these Labubus. I went with the big into energy, and with this one you can get a love, hope, serenity, luck, happiness, loyalty, or the chaser. I got two of them. They came out to like $74 total after that, after tax and everything like that. Just in case, I don't know. I feel like I need to open them now though, because the lady was nice enough to tell me that I could trade with two of the opens ones they already had in there if I didn't like what I had. But what if I get a double? I have to be really careful. I left my tripod for my camera at home, so I think I'm just gonna open one of these here in case I get a double. Or I guess I should open them both to see if I get a double. I've never done one of these before, so here it is. This is the Big Energy Labubu. This is an official one from the Pop Gallery over here. These are the different ones you can get. Love is pink, hope is blue, serenity's green, luck is this like, I don't know, purplish color, happiness is like peach, loyalty is like a pink kind of color, and I think I heard the secret one is like a black one with like rainbow teeth, and that's what I'm after. So there's like a little tab. It's officially mine now. There's like a card in these, so if you want to like completely not know, you kind of have to look away. I don't like doing this stuff in public because I find that it's like people are always staring at you. So I haven't looked yet. Opening this bag. And it is this little peach fella. Loyalty. Girl, that checks out. All right, back at my place now, and I'm gonna open the second one. I realize these are actually called Big Into Energy, not Big Energy. So I'm sure there are people out there who are just screaming at the TV and upset about it. Sorry, they were giving off Big Energy. So just to recap, again, I did end up with Loyalty. Let's take a little bit of a closer look here at the box. You can see they come in this cute box. They've got them on the side there. They come in a bag, and if you're, like when you go to take them out, if you're, you know, if you wanna know before you open them out of the bag, there's like a little card here at the bottom, and then they come in this like plastic bag here that's just like a pull tie, and then here is Loyalty. They're actually pretty nice. Like this like keychain here is pretty substantial. I like the ring on it. The Loyalty one has like sort of sparkly eyes, and it's got two different color ears there, and it looks kind of, it's reminding me a lot of like cotton candy. Now let's do the second one. I don't know, there's like a girl on YouTube who does this. This stresses me out. I'm just a little worried that these are gonna be repeats. We're not gonna be negative. This is Big Into Energy, so we're gonna put Big Into Energy out there. I'm not looking. I am not looking. I'm not looking. Ooh, this green one's cool. What's this one? This one is Serenity. Cute. Serenity's got like the little sparkly eyes. There's a little bit of that like sort of lime coloring on it there. I like these. Cute. Very cute. I like that. This is good. This one's nice. This one feels lucky. I know it's big energy. There is one that's lucky though, isn't there? Or no? Yeah, luck. This is cute. I'm gonna show you the one that the person had given me at Halloween Horror Nights, the one I talked about, that it had already been opened. So now I've opened these officially. I think I am going to probably end up gifting these ones though, because I do love the idea of gifting them. I don't know, there's something really precious about that when it's something that's sort of all the rage right now. I like just like kind of keeping something in my back pocket and like just waiting till you find the right person and you're like, hey, I can make your day a little bit better right now. So the one that Wendy, if you're watching this, thank you very much, gave me at Halloween Horror Nights is actually from this same series. It's the Love one, but I ordered clothes on Amazon and did a little customization because it was from Halloween. So he's got a little Michael Myers mask, a little hoodie, a little camera. So it was kind of like my vibe at the time. You can do this sort of thing with them, which I feel like I really appreciate that. But I've heard that people have been stealing them and stuff. So I think they make like cages you can put them in. There's like clear things that'll clip close, and then that way you can still put them on your bag or bring them with you or whatnot. But yeah, I think I'm not like I'm not a completionist when it comes to these. I don't really know what I'm hoping for. I think I had heard, like I said, that the secret one was like a black one that had like rainbow teeth. I think that's the one I'm kind of hoping for. If anybody has one out there and they want to trade, I'd love to trade with you. But yeah, I'm not like, oh, I've got to get all the Macaron series or anything like that. Actually, those ones are a little more muted colored, so I thought I liked these ones a little better. It's cute. I don't know, did I show you the card too? There's a little card, but they're dope. Now that I have it like in person, you hold them and you're like, you know, they're bigger than I thought they were. And they're kind of like substantial when you hold them in the ring. Like there's just kind of something about, you're like, it's my own little like, it's giving me very like almost Mogwai vibes from like the Gremlins or something like that. But if you are headed to Disney Springs on your next Disney vacation, it's worth checking out to see if they have these still in stock. I think on like Pop Mart, I actually double checked and they were maybe like $27.99. If you can find a Pop Mart near you, $28 or something like that. So $35 for a Disney Springs blind box like this, I really don't think is too bad of a markup. And I honestly don't, I'm not like, they're not inexpensive, but I'm also not like, wow, I can't believe that. Like I kind of get it, I guess. You know, it's a crazy time that we live in, but if it brings you joy, it brings you joy. Or in my case, it brings you serenity and loyalty. Well, serenity, I think, gets brought to you. Loyalty, I think, is within you. But they're cute. I do like the little eyes. This love one. Maybe it was because it was given to me with love. It's just very special to me. But I wanted one that I opened and unboxed as well. So there you have it. I hope this was fun, something different. I know it's like weird, it's like Disney adjacent, but I just thought it would be a fun video to do and see that you never know what you're gonna find at like Disney Springs or around the parks and stuff like that, around property. So thank you everybody for watching along. Let me know how I can improve these. Let me know if you'd like to see other unboxing videos in the future or where you'd like to see me go next. You want to see some more shopping trips, some stuff like that. Just leave those in the comments. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and that is going to do it for me. May all of your Labubus and monsters haunt your dreams the way you wish. Bye, everybody.